Hi everybody, so today we're going to try out this crep shoe cleaner. So this is what we have. We have warm water here, it's still warm. And these are my Air Forces. Let's see if we can get some more lighting. Okay, so we got better lighting, and look at these. These are dirty. Actually looks dirtier in person. These are dirty. So the product says we grab water, we grab the brush, we dip it in warm water. You can still see a little smoke. Okay, then we attach the, oh crap. Then we attach droplets. Is it open? Yeah, that did. Not sure how much. Now we're just gonna scrub it, brush it. We're gonna use the provided microfiber towel. And we're just gonna, what does it say? Clean cloth to wipe, sneaker sleeves to dry. Okay, so we're just gonna wipe it. And would you look at that? It definitely looks so much cleaner. So it definitely is much cleaner. Only the laces are dirty at this point, but it's pretty much cleaner. And look at this one. There's some scuffs that I couldn't take out, but all of this is clean. I didn't clean none of this. So we're done. These are how the Air Force Ones look. They're still kind of like dirty-ish. These are the other ones. Definitely some got cleaned up, but I think that's because I need to scrub like the lines individually.